Say goodbye to tangled wires and hello to freedom with the Skullcandy Mods True Wireless Earbuds. Whether you're commuting to work, working out, or an individual boarding a flight, these provide an unparalleled listening experience that will keep you motivated and energized throughout the day. And you can stand a chance of winning your very own Mods True Wireless Earbuds by watching this video all the way to the end. So these are the Mod True Wireless Earbuds, and they are an awesome pair of wireless earbuds that have been designed and created by Skullcandy with minimalism and ease of use in mind. So the first thing we have to talk about is the design. So the case itself is rather large for these minimal earbuds or these minimal impact earbuds. The case, the plastic is quite a lightweight plastic, and I think what Skullcandy was aiming for was a lightweight feel, but the plastic just ends up feeling a little cheap, but that's just my opinion. When we open up the earbuds, the hinge is not a regular just swing hinge, it's quite a little firm hinge, and I think that's quite nice. So they are absolutely excellent for ease of use for everyone that might be requiring a set of earbuds. So when it comes to features, the most important feature that all of us are worried about is the battery life. So the mods come with a total of 34 hours playback time, 7 hours on the earbud, and then another 27 hours from the case. The Skullcandies also have the rapid charge feature built in, which gives you 2 hours of playback time from just 10 minutes of charge. These mods also have multi-point, which is a function of pairing two devices at a time to the earbuds, meaning you could connect your phone as well as your laptop at the same time to the set of earbuds. The mods are also built in with a clear voice smart mic with an AI ability built in to reduce background noise. With that background noise reduction, we also have stay aware mode built in, like how we've seen in the push active. If you haven't seen my review of the push active, links up there in the YouTube cards. How the stay aware mode works is that it takes the audio or the noise from the environment around you and it puts it into your earbuds so that you may know and listen to what's going on around you. The mods are also built with IP55 sweat and water resistance, meaning that you can go ahead, wear them for a workout, go take them for a run, and still use them while you're boarding the flight and going into your meeting. The mods can actually be fully customized via the Skullcandy app. And like we've seen with the push active, they can be customized through the equalizer settings, having music, podcasts, movies, as well as a custom equalizer setting. You have the ability of turning on or off your stay aware mode, as well as customizing now the button setting. So how the buttons can be customized. The single press is still locked on our pause and play, but then a double press can be customized. Currently I have it set to volume up and volume down. Triple press can be customized to a feature, as well as a 1 second hold. And then we also have now built in, just like how we've seen with the push active, finding our earbuds through the Tile app. So who do I think these earbuds are built for? These earbuds are built for everyone. Whether you're a student going to university, someone who's working in whatever industry, a professional who needs something to wear to business meetings or to wear on a flight. It'll suit them. It'll suit someone who wants to just wear it to the gym and not have big bulky headphones or something dangling over the ear. When it comes to price, now what is the retail price? So the mods retail for 1,400 Rand on the Skullcandy website, and they are available in a black or a grey blue, which is regarded as the Skullcandy sleek colorways. If you like to purchase one of your own, the link to the Skullcandy website can be found in the description below. What are my honest thoughts regarding these Push Active, seeing that I've had them for close to 2 weeks while testing? The first thing I'll tell you right off the bat that bothered me was the placement of the buttons, as well as the selection of having physical push buttons. So the problem is, right, although I am wearing this now, the ability to push the button, it's either I'm hurting my ear or I have to reach and hold the earbud and press the button. I might be wrong, maybe that is the correct way. You're supposed to hold the earbud and push it, but most of us would just like a light tap. So even a touch control might have been better for these minimal earbuds. Besides that, the fact that they are sleek and minimal puts so much into the corner of these earbuds, because I mean, who wouldn't want something that you don't even realize you are wearing it, you're not feeling it, and it's there. And I've tested it, and I mean, you can see me shaking my head vigorously right now, and it's not even coming loose or coming out. So that just tells you how well they are built, although they are so small. Second thing is that multi-point literally resonates with everyone. Who wouldn't want to connect to their PC, listen to music, and still have the ability of taking a call with your earbuds? Whether you're in a coffee shop, whether you're in a public space working, you don't have to sacrifice that. You could just take the call without having to disconnect your earbuds, tell the person, hold on, I'm changing my cables, or anything. So that is really, really cool. That feature is really, really cool, and I appreciate it a lot. So personally, I think these earbuds would have been so, they're great where they are currently. But I think what would have made them next level was if they had the voice control ability built in. And I mean, then I would have fell head over heels and told you, you know what, this is a 15 out of 10. Don't even think twice about it. Just go buy it and you'll thank me later. But all in all, these earbuds are amazing. And I think that no matter who you are, if you're looking for a good wireless earbud and you have the money to spend, you would never think twice if you bought the mods. Granted, it is a little expensive, but for the functions and features, you are not going wrong. So with that being said, I will rate the mods a 9 out of 10, purely because they are that amazing with the features. Granted, the features might not be the most, there's not 100 different features, but these features tick every single box that most professional individuals and people who just want a good listening experience would want out of it. And the bass is amazing for how small and compact they are. So thank you very much to Skullcandy South Africa and the LUKS group for sending me out these earbuds and allowing me the opportunity of reviewing them. And now we come to the most important part of the video. How can you stand a chance of winning your very own Skullcandy Mod True Wireless Earbuds? So you can click the link in the description below and head over to the TechSceneZA Instagram page. There you would go ahead and make sure you're following TechSceneZA, you're following LUKS_SA, and you're following Skullcandy South Africa. With the pinned post about the giveaway, you can tag 2 friends who might be interested in winning these Mod True Wireless Earbuds. And for some extra entries, you can go ahead and share that post to your story or feed. So this giveaway is going to run from the 27th of April to the 19th of May. And on the 24th of May, we're going to announce our winner via an Instagram post. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Mine is Prashant, and I'll catch you in the next video.